The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the OnePlus 6T for T-Mobile guys. So the OnePlus 6T is now official at T-Mobile as of November 1st, which was Thursday. So it's available now at T-Mobile's website here, as you guys can see right here. This is what the phone looks like. The phone looks very nice. The OnePlus 6T got announced the other day by OnePlus. So this is pretty cool. I like the wallpaper on this phone. It looks really nice in color and nice and colorful and all that. You guys will notice it has a little teardrop notch there. Not too bad of a notch. On the left side you have your volume buttons. On the right side you have a power button there. You have an 18:9 screen ratio. So yeah, it's only available in 128 gigabytes at T-Mobile. So that's the only one that T-Mobile is currently offering is the 128 gigabyte model. So not too bad. And the offering is $580 full retail price. This is the 128 gigabytes of ROM and 8 gigabytes of RAM version. Yeah. So that's what the phone looks like down the front. It has your teardrop notch for your front facing camera and stuff like that. On the right side you have a power button and two little dots. I don't know what those are. On the back of the OnePlus 6 you have a dual camera flash OnePlus logo and designed by OnePlus logos on there. Interesting logo there. Left side you have your volume buttons, and I think your SIM tool is. I think your SIM slot is on the left as well. This one does not have a micro SD card, so keep that in mind. And the OnePlus 6T is $24.17 a month for 24 months. If you have the credit, if you have average credit or whatever, it will be $517 a month for 24 months. And then if you have no credit whatsoever, it's for retail price is $580. Alright. So if you guys have awesome credit, it's $24.17 a month. Alright. So not too bad. Alright. Features: OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6T balance proven features, focus on speed and smoothness to set a new industry standard. It's built for a premium experience with the cutting edge and display fingerprint sensor, fast charge technology, and dual cameras that know every detail night or day. Alright. So yeah, you guys will notice that this has a in-display fingerprint sensor, so that's pretty interesting there. It has strength and resilience, incredible detail in every frame, amazing night shots, smarter RAM than before, all-day battery, everyday protection, access at a glance. It has share more, a truly seamless design, custom display options, smart photos, fast camera, slow video, one of the best powerful smartphones ever, fast charge technology, a simplified operating system, navigate with ease. So the specifications: it has 31.7 hours of battery talk time, 18 days of standby time. The display is 6.41 inches AMOLED. That is 2340 by 1080 pixels. It has quad band GSM, has all those bands there. Hearing aid, yes, connectivity, sync methods, Wi-Fi, 82.11, ABG and AC, LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC. It has tier 3, I'm not sure what that means. It has the WEA compatible thing, the size, the dimensions: 6.2 inches height, 2.94 inches height, and 0.32 inches depth. The phone weighs 6.52 ounces, so a bit hefty. It has amazing night shots and other features. Operating system: a simplified operating system is Android 9.0 Pi. Yeah. And what you guys get in the box is y'all guys get the OnePlus 6T, of course, OnePlus fast charge power adapter, OnePlus fast charge Type-C USB cable, protective phone case, Type-C to 3.5 memory adapter. That means the headphone jack, SIM tray removal tool, OnePlus brand stickers. That's pretty cool. Terms and conditions, quick start guide, and screen protector. So y'all guys get a lot of stuff with this phone. So there it is, guys. The OnePlus 6T is now available at T-Mobile for $579 full retail price, or for $24.17 a month for 24 months, guys. So you guys are on T-Mobile and you guys want to try out a different phone, you guys want to try out OnePlus, check out the OnePlus 6T. Phone looks nice, specs on it pretty fucking good. The only thing I don't like about it is there's no memory card slot, so keep that in mind. But other than that, the phone looks nice and stuff like that. And you guys get a screen protector, a case, OnePlus stickers, and all that cool stuff. So that's pretty cool there. So there it is, guys. OnePlus 6T at T-Mobile now available. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.